Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Rocket R58 espresso machine. This machine had an issue with the hot water wand not working, and we found some scale buildup inside the pipes, but ultimately we found that the main reason was that the steam valve was defective, the whole steam valve, and so we descaled the machine and replaced the valve, and now the machine's working great. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. Nice shot of espresso, and let's go ahead and test the hot water. The hot water is working well. That's the steam, even though we didn't do anything to it. Oh, the steam's not going to work now because I just drained so much water out of the hot water boiler. I'll do a second video with the steam. Alright, thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee.